Welcome back to Speed Car Mania. The 2026 Subaru Forester represents a significant evolution in design and engineering, combining bold aesthetics with enhanced performance capabilities. This latest iteration is crafted to excel in both urban environments and rugged terrains, reflecting Subaru's commitment to versatility and innovation. Featuring a reimagined exterior, the Forester boasts sharp LED headlamps, a reinforced lower grille, and dynamic body lines that convey a confident stance. High ground clearance and protective claddings underscore its readiness for off-road challenges, while a refined rear with LED tail lights and a quad exhaust system adds a performance-oriented appeal. Inside, the cabin merges modern technology with ergonomic comfort. A vertically oriented touchscreen centralizes control of core systems, complemented by a digital instrument cluster delivering real-time vehicle data. The upgraded 2.5-liter boxer engine delivers 190 to 200 horsepower and approximately 250 Newton-meters of torque, supported by an enhanced Lineartronic CVT for smoother, more responsive power delivery. Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive and updated X mode, with settings for snow, gravel, and mud, offer superior traction and control. Safety is prioritized through the EyeSight 4.0 system, featuring adaptive cruise control, lane centering, and a 360-degree camera. Set to debut globally in late 2025, the 2026 Forester is expected to start between $31,000 and $39,000, with additional options available, including hybrid variants.